So let David is what subject. So in terms of the reliability, say we are maintaining our server in our own office. Say it's a bank. It's maintaining in the SBI headquarters. All the data and application it is maintaining in the SBI headquarters. Suddenly, some war came and the blasting intentionally they have done on the SBI headquarters, knowing that the data is there in their server. Then what happens? All the economy of people will be lost, right? So to overcome such situations, better we use the cloud where they'll maintain the data in different servers in different locations, so that somewhere they kept one server in the Indian region. Data, suddenly some blasting was happened, some disaster, some cyclone came, something happened. Then the data should not be lost because it is already kept in somewhere else, right? So that's we call as reliability. So whatever may be the reason, we should not lose the data. So that is the data or the availability of the server. Yes. Yes. So this we call as so like that that can be implemented using the cloud. And the cost, we need not to maintain all this for all this. We need not to buy everything. Only we can using by paying some rent, right? So expertise, they will be having the cloud service provider will be having the world-class expertization. So that is the main advantage for them, right? So when we come to the cloud, they'll be having public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. And like when we say cloud service provider, this can be divided into the 3 categories. One is on-premise, after on-premises, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So when we take infrastructure for the rent, like networking, storage, servers, or virtualization, that we call as infrastructure as a service. Then platform as a service, when we take runtime, OS, middleware, along with the other infrastructure, that we call, when we take platform as a service, that means when we take platform as rent, that we call it platform as a service. The other thing is software as a service, right? So we'll consider one more thing. First one is infrastructure as a service, like EC2 is one infrastructure as a service. It also includes the platform. We can say it as a platform also as a service. So EC2 is the system, elastic cloud computing. So here we can use it on demand, and we can use them for whatever we use, we can pay for them, and it can be easily scalable. Scalable means we can increase or decrease the sizes. So EC2 means elastic cloud compute cloud. Elastic compute cloud. So it's an Amazon web service. You can use it to access servers, software, storage resources across the internet in self-service manner. So you can create all these things on a self-service manner. Okay. So the main thing is their concepts like regions and zones, AMA and instances, storages, networking, security, monitoring, auto scaling, load balancers, everything is included in this EC2. So what is this? Before going in depth, let us see some EC2. one. Anyone? I'll go to my AWS services. So I'll sign in to my AWS services. So you can also create your AWS services. 1 minute.